Open to page number 11. We had finished underlining the words till page number 9. On 10, there are no words to underline. Come to page number 11. Aram, what happened? You're looking puzzled? Ready with your social studies book? Yes, Inaya, I can see you've got your scale. That's nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम कल रिपीट कर दीजिए, कल नेटवर्क नहीं आया था.
Okay. Now listen. Yesterday,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shivash, just a second. Yesterday, I had given you the words of the first lesson and half of the second lesson. Today, we are going to complete the second lesson as well as the third lesson. And I will send you the entire list of words. I will send you the entire list of words in the group. Okay, so in case anyone has missed out anything, you can see from the group and underline in your book. Right, Ronik? Got it? And then you will write in your register and learn. Remember, I told you each word you have to write 3 times and learn. When you write and learn, then you learn quickly. Right? Aram is playing something. Manji, social studies book, page number
Okay, ma'am.
11. पेज नंबर 11 अपने आप बुक ओपन करिए मंजीत. कल मैम ने आपको सिखाया था ना पेज नंबर क्या होता है. अब नीचे पेज नंबर बुक पे देखिए और ओपन करिए पेज 11. यस हार्दिक. पेज नंबर 11 सोशल स्टडीज बुक. हार्दिक. Hardik, there's a lot of disturbance at your end, child. I cannot hear you clearly. Social Studies book, page number 11. Pranjali, did you hear? Social Studies book, page number 11.
मैंने निकाल लिया.
All right. अंडरलाइन करना है बुक में. अंडरलाइन करने हैं वर्ड्स जो हम बोल रहे हैं. All right, Hardik. Now, page number 11. Page number 11. Look at this paragraph which talks about dinner. Now, count the lines from on top. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come to the 7th line. Count and come to the 7th line. Page number 11, Vinayak. Social Studies book. विनायक अपने आप बुक ओपन करिए बेटे. This paragraph which talks about dinner, count the lines, come to the 7th line. We have done ordinal numbers. Come to the 7th line. Page number 11, 7th line over here. And you will find a word over there, Lightest. Lightest. Underline that word. आपको सीखना है अपने आप, जैसे मैम बता रही है लाइंस को काउंट करके वहां पर वर्ड को ढूंढना है.
बता दीजिए.
Lightest. Lightest. Once you finish underlining, give me a thumbs up so that I know you found the word.
Ma'am, please repeat the word.
Lightest. Lightest. Visual, very good. I like the way you asked in English. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, that's
Excuse
nice.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first and just है
Yes, Shivansh.
first underline word lightest है क्या?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am,
now come to after the seventh line. You have the eighth line. You don't have to underline anything there. Now come to the ninth line. Come to the ninth line, and there's a word over here, nutritious. Nutritious, nutritious. When you find the word, underline it. Ishanvi, is that you? We are on page number 11, child.
स्पेलिंग फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए
Nutritious, nutritious. And Pranjali, why did you change from your uniform? You are still in the class.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
When you have your uniform, you have to wear it for all the classes, child. Okay?
मैम मेरे पास नहीं है स्कूल
Yes, Shivansh.
स्पेलिंग एक बार और रिपीट कर दीजिए
Nutritious, nutritious.
सेकंड वाली सेकंड वाली पूछो दूसरा वाला
शिवांश, शिवांश, पापा से बोलिए उधर से हट जाए और आप क्लास में ध्यान देना शुरू करिए। हम आपको एक एक चीज बता रहे हैं। अगर आप सुनेंगे तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। प्रॉब्लम तब होती है जब आप ध्यान देकर सुनते नहीं है बेटे।
मैम फिर से रिपीट
Pranjali, you also learn to pay attention. I told you the ninth line. You have to count the lines. Ninth line, and the word is nutritious. Nutritious. Everybody's done it, children? Give me a thumbs up. Pranjali, did you find that word? Pranjali, did you?
मैम ये वाली करनी है
Nutritious. Okay. Now, children, come to page number. Come to page number 1414. Come to page number 1414. Pranjali, come to page number 14. Yes, Pranjali, underline that word. Pranjali, underline that word nutritious and come to page number 14 now. Quickly.
our code
Page number 14. Our clothes. We have already done this lesson. I'm calling out the words. Please underline them,
excuse
children.
me मैम
Shivansh. Yes, Shivansh.
कौन से पेज नंबर
मैम
बोला
पेज नंबर 11 में टू ही स्पेलिंग टाइप करनी है
Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Come to page number 14, Ishanvi.
14 बेटा मैम को दिख रहा है
Yes, Riya, you're asking something?
न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में अब आपसे पूछेंगे बेटा कुछ
आप क्या लिखना है किसमें अंडरलाइन करनी है
Page number 11, there are only two words, lightest and nutritious. Now come to page number 14. Page number 14. Now start counting the lines. I'll tell you which line to stop. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Come to line number 5th. The 5th line. Count You all know your numbers, cardinal, ordinal, everything you know. Put your pencil on the fifth line and underline Tailors. 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 नेक्स्ट वर्ड उसी लाइन में उसके बगल में नेक्स्ट वर्ड है STITCH स्टिच. स्टिच मीन्स सिलना. STITCH stitch. When you finish, give me a thumbs up. Ishanvi, have you finished? Where is your book? Where is your book, Ishanvi? Mommy is doing the work for you. Please tell mommy to give the book to you.
Tuition studies book.
Ishanvi, where is your book, child? Ishanvi, take the book, child, and start underlining. Ishanvi, you have to learn to pay attention in the class. आपको सुनना है और करना है बेटे. जब तक अपने आप नहीं करेंगे सीखेंगे कैसे? Page number 14, have you opened? Social studies book, page number 14. Lift your book, let me see. ईशानवी, बुक उठाइए, मैम को दिखाइए कौन सी बुक आपने निकाली है. Yes. Now count the lines and come to the fifth line. The fifth line पर आकर रुक जाइएगा. वहां पर एक वर्ड है TAILORS, टेलर्स. अंडरलाइन दैट वर्ड. उसके जस्ट बगल में देयर इज अनदर वर्ड STITCH, स्टिच. अंडरलाइन दैट वर्ड. नाउ
मैम
yes Riya.
मैम स्टिच के बाद कौन से वर्ड?
Yes, I'm telling you, just a second. Now come to this paragraph which says summer season. Come to this paragraph which talks about summer season and count the lines. First, second, third. Come to the third line. Summer season. Hassan, please sit down and do your work. Stop playing. Where is your book? Are you underlining the words? Where's your pencil, Hassan? I cannot see anything in your hand. Hassan, you are not in nursery KG child. You are in class 1. You are not a baby anymore. Have you underlined the words? Hassan, have you underlined the words tailors and stitch? Yes. Now the next word. I told you come to the paragraph which talks about summer season. Come to this paragraph and count first, second, third. Come to the third line. Underline the word SHADE, shade. SHADE, shade. Nipun, have you got the word? When you finish, give me a thumbs up.
मैम
Yes.
स्पेलिंग ए पर
Shivansh, you have to speak in English. Ma'am, please repeat the spelling. शिवांश, जो मैम बोलती है सुना करिए और करा करिए बेटे, तभी आप इंग्लिश सीख पाएंगे. मैम, प्लीज रिपीट द स्पेलिंग.
उसमें SHAD लिखना है. SHAD का अंडरलाइन करना है.
प्रांजलि, मैंने आपको पहले भी समझाया है, फिर से समझा रहे हैं. क्लास में बैठकर चीखते नहीं हैं. जब मैम एक बच्चे से बात कर रही हैं उसको समझा रही हैं, आपको वेट करना है. जब मैम आपसे पूछेंगी तब आप बोलेंगी. SHADE, shade. S-H-A-D-E, shade. When you finish, give me a thumbs up, all of you. Ishanvi, have you done it? Good girl. Okay.
And which line?
Ali, summer season paragraph. This paragraph where we are talking about summer season. The third line in that, and the word is S-H-A-D-E. Got it, Ali? Look for that.
S-H-A-T-E.
Now, come to the next paragraph, rainy season. This paragraph, children, rainy season. Put your finger there, all of you. Hassan, look in front. Hassan, look in front. Rainy season. Come to this paragraph. Put your pencil there, rainy season. Now count the lines. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Come to the fifth line. Come to the fifth line and underline the word UMBRELLAS, umbrellas.
Ma'am,
Yes.
H-A-T को underline करना है.
SAJDE, शेड को अंडरलाइन करना था समर सीजन वाले पैराग्राफ में.
Okay, ma'am.
Now come to rainy season paragraph. Omash, have you found the word?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now listen carefully. This paragraph, look here. Rainy season. Have you found this paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in that count the lines and stop on the fifth line. First, put your finger there, Omash. Put your finger there. Rainy season and start counting. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. फिफ्थ लाइन पर आकर आप रुक जाएंगे. फिफ्थ लाइन पर आकर आप रुक जाएंगे. अब वहां पे वर्ड है अम्ब्रेलास. UMBRELLAS, umbrellas. Have you found it, Ishanvi? Good girl. Underline that word, umbrellas. Then you have same line, gum boots. GUMBOOTS, gum boots. GUMBOOTS, gum boots. Hassan, have you found that word?
Ma'am, I found it.
Very good. All right, children, you have to learn. आपको सीखना है कैसे लाइंस काउंट करके आपको वर्ड्स ढूंढ के अंडरलाइन करना है. This is the reason why I am making you do it in class, जिससे आप वर्ड्स को ढूंढेंगे और बोलेंगे. Yes, प्रांजलि.
बता दीजिए.
प्रांजलि, पहले आप सामने बैठिए कैमरे के. आप दिख नहीं रही हैं. और कल से आप हेयर बैंड लगाकर बैठेंगी. बाल आंख में बिल्कुल नहीं जाने चाहिए.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Say.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just a second, Shivansh. Pranjali, look for this paragraph where it is written rainy season. ये देखिए बुक में पहले रेनी सीजन जहां लिखा है, अपनी बुक में देखिए. सबसे नीचे है लास्ट पैराग्राफ. प्रांजलि, प्लीज अपने राइट हैंड साइड पर थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट हो जाइए. हमें दिख नहीं रही हैं आप. ठीक से बैठिए सेंटर ऑफ द चेयर. यस. Now in this paragraph count the lines first, second, third, fourth, fifth. जल्दी से लाइंस को काउंट करिए. फिंगर रख के जल्दी से काउंट करिए. And stop on the fifth line. Have you reached the fifth line? Count loudly. Pranjali?
Yes.
Have you reached the fifth line?
Yes.
Now look for the word umbrellas over there. UMBRE. Have you found it? Underline that. और उसके बगल में है गमबूट्स. GUMBOOTS. अब आप बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगी जो मैम बोल रही है, इधर उधर बिल्कुल नहीं देखेंगी, और नेक्स्ट पीरियड में मुझे आपको हेयर बैंड के साथ में देखना है. ऑलराइट प्रांजलि, जो आप बार बार ऐसे ऐसे करती रहेंगी, पूरा टाइम अपने बाल ठीक करती रहेंगी बेटे, तो आप क्लास में कैसे ध्यान दे पाएंगी? ओके, ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 15 क्विकली. प्रांजलि, पेज नंबर 15. यस शिवांश.
मैम आप
यस शिवांश.
जो वर्ड हम लोगों ने अंडरलाइन किया आप उनकी देखी.
पहले आप क्लास में अंडरलाइन करिए, अगर हम सेंड कर देंगे तो आप क्लास में बिल्कुल मेहनत नहीं करेंगे, कुछ करेंगे ही नहीं आप. यस, ध्यान नहीं देंगे आप. यस, तो आप ध्यान दीजिए, सुनिए. नाउ कम टू पेज 15. शुभ, आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे?
अम्ब्रेला के बाद कोई वर्ड है क्या?
गमबूट्स. गमबूट्स, जस्ट द नेक्स्ट वर्ड. अम्ब्रेला के साइड में उसी के बगल में नेक्स्ट वर्ड है गमबूट्स. सेम लाइन, GUMBOOTS. Children, all of you finish these two words. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, now moving on to page number 15 quickly. Pranjali, are you ready? Page number 15.
जी मैम.
Yes, Hassan.
मैम शेर से पहले और वर्ड बोला था.
शेड से पहले मैंने बोला था फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में टेलर्स एंड स्टिच, जो आप नहीं कर रहे थे, आप खेल कर रहे थे उस समय. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में हमने बोला था टेलर्स एंड स्टिच. द फिफ्थ line from on top. Got it? Okay. Now page number 15, winter season. Have you all come to that paragraph? Come to the third line. Count the lines. First, second, third. Come to the third line and stop over there. And there's a word over there. PROTECT. 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 Underline protect. Got it? Give me a thumbs up when you finish. Nipun, have you finished? All right. Everyone finish? Hayat got it? Hayat, have you underlined the word?
Yes ma'am.
All right. Now,
Excuse me.
yes, Hayat.
Which line?
Page number 15, the third line, child. The third line, there's a word PROTECT. Protect. Look here. We have the word protect over here. Got it? All right, very good. Children, you know why I'm making you do this? Because you have to learn to count your ordinal numbers also, and you will learn how to find spellings also. You will learn the spellings also. There are so many things you are learning by doing this exercise. अगर हम simply list भेज देते और मम्मी आपके लिए underline कर देती, तो उसमें आपने तो कुछ नहीं सीखा. Yes? So जो भी हम करते हैं वो अपने लिए करते हैं ताकि हम सीखें कुछ. So all of you, You're going to cooperate with me and do everything nicely, right? Now come to this paragraph. Come to this paragraph below this. इस बॉक्स के नीचे वाले पैराग्राफ पे आइए और काउंट करिए फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड सेकंड लाइन में देयर इज वन वर्ड हियर ऑब्टेन. First line, second line, there is a word here, obtain. Obtained. Obtained. Have you found the word? Vinayak, you found the word? Vinayak, did you get the word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. Yes, Vaishnavi? Obtained. Obtained. Prashasti, sister, stop swinging on your chair, child. Have you finished underlining? Have you finished underlining? Show me your book, your pencil. Where is your book and pencil? Okay, sit straight. Now, come to the paragraph which talks about some other clothes. See the red color heading is there? The pink color rather. The pink color heading, some other clothes. ये वाली heading दिख रही है. अब इस वाले paragraph पर आइए. And start counting first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Come to the fifth line. Fifth line. Count the lines, Nipun. Count the lines.
Ma'am, ऊपर वाली लिखना.
Some other clothes. The heading is some other clothes. Pink color से जो heading है उस वाले paragraph में count करिए. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Stop on the fifth line and look for the word dresses. Dresses. Look for the word dresses. Dresses. Yes, Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi?
कर दीजिए please.
Dresses. Dresses. The fifth line, dresses. Ishanvi, what are you doing? Have you underlined, child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ishanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now turn the page. Come to page number 16. Come to page number 16, children. The first line.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shivansh.
एक बार full spelling repeat कर दीजिए.
शिवांश हम फुल स्पेलिंग्स अभी रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. द टाइम इज ओवर. आई विल पोस्ट इट इन द ग्रुप.
14.
Ma'am, no first line.
The first line on page number 16.
Ma'am, post के बाद चल. No first line.
शिवांश, page number 16, child. Page number 16.
Underline करना है.
Page number 16. Shivansh, open.
Yes, ma'am. Post के बाद कैसे underline
Page
करना है?
number 16. Come to the first line. This line. The first line. And the word is.
Excuse me, ma'am. No first line.
Why you don't have the first line? Show me your
No,
book.
ma'am.
Show me your book. Page number 16.
No, ma'am.
How come you don't? You don't have that line? Do you have it on the previous page? Sure. Omash. Oh, go to the previous page. Omash, go to the previous page. And see, do you have this line over there? According to their jobs, these persons are easily recognized because of their uniforms. Do you have this line on page number 15?
No, ma'am.
You don't have this line. Which is the last line of your page number 15, Omansh?
Some people wear uniform. Excuse me, ma'am.
Only that much?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Prashasti, just a second. I'm talking to Omansh.
An officer of officers.
Omansh, you only have till there. Some people wear uniforms.
Yes, ma'am.
At their work offices and workplace. उसके आगे कुछ नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Excuse
just
me, ma'am.
wait. Just wait. Prashasti,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have this line in your book on page number 16?
No, ma'am.
You also don't have?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
then.
ma'am.
Arab, do you have this line?
Ma'am, I have this line.
You have that line. Okay. Now let me.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am the mother.
Now listen to me. I think some of the new books, they do not have this line. So I will click the picture and post it in the group. I will click a picture of page number 15, the last two lines, and also page number 16, the first two lines that are there. I will post it in the group, and those children who don't have these two lines, you can tell mummy just to write on top for you. All right? Got it, Omansh, Prashasti, all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Post it for you in the group. You can write it and then you can underline the words that are there.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, sorry, मुझे vomiting आ गई थी.
Okay, go then. You want to go?
Ma'am, हो गया.
All right. And listen, children, if you are feeling like going to the to vomit, please don't wait. Just get up and go. अगर vomiting आ रही है तो उठ के चले जाया करिए, क्योंकि जब तक आप वेट करेंगे परमिशन लेने के लिए तब तक तो आप कर देंगे, और कभी उसको यूं हाथ लगा के रोकिएगा भी नहीं. दैट्स रॉन्ग. अगर वॉमिटिंग आ रही है तो जाकर करिएगा. डोंट स्टॉप इट. That's a wrong thing, children. You cannot take it back. Just vomit it out if it's coming. Right? So you don't need
Ma'am,
to
can I
wait.
drink water?
Yes. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Right, Jai. Now, with that, we finish with your social study period. I'll be posting the work, all the words today in the group, and also the picture of these two lines which are missing in your book. So you can take your break. We'll meet again in the next period, that is science period. You have to be ready. Listen to me.
उसको भी underline करना था.
Science period, you will be ready with your science copies. We are going to do question and answers. We are going to do question and answers. Okay, thank you. And next period, I'll take attendance.
Bye, ma'am.
I'll take attendance.